Hi, this is Brother Barnes. I would like to look at a few scenarios in which we know the pedigree and use this information to try to determine the allelic combinations of the parents. Before we get started, let's say that this is an X-linked scenario. All of these on this page. Big B stands for normal vision, little b for colorblind, and if the square or circle is shaded, that means the person is affected. Let's go back to scenario 1. Unaffected mom and, dad and mom, but they have two boys, one of which is affected. So I set up this Punnett square. You tell me if you think it looks legitimate. I set the female as carrier, X big B, X little b. I set the father as normal. The resulting possibility is 25% possibility that there will be one female child that is not even a carrier. 25% chance that there is a carrier female. But remember, we're not seeing female children here. We're just seeing males. So what are the possibilities here? X big B Y is the unaffected male, which would be this young man, and then X little by would be the affected male. So I think this seems like a legitimate Punnett square, and this would be the allelic configuration of the mother and of the dad. Remember, we always put alphabet first, and we put caps first before lowercase.